So this is a 2017 Fiat 500. So this stuff is that's the right gas, and that's the right connector for apparently anything over, for a Fiat 500, anything over 2015. So you've got to locate the AC valves, and this one is a low pressure valve, so you need to unscrew that. That's the valve we're going to be using. Once you've attached the gas cylinder, you need to attach it to the car, to the low pressure valve. So that just presses on, like so. So I've then got to start the car, put it onto recirculating and turn the AC onto full and leave it like that for 3 minutes. So keep pressing the trigger, moving it about until it goes up to the green level filled. Obviously make sure you don't go over that. Looks like we're getting there. Looking good. Just a quick note, it's always really important to wear glasses and gloves with this. If you've got the wrong size nozzle, or if there's a leak, it sprays all over the place, and you don't want this getting on your hands or in your eyes. Getting there. Actually had the wrong size nozzle before. I was given the wrong one. It's always you've got to make sure you get the right one. I spent ages trying to fit it, and it just turned out it was the wrong model. It's the wrong size pump and everything. So this one apparently is Fiat 500s from 2015 onwards. Right, I think I'm going to leave it at that. Just give it another quick shake. It's looking pretty good. See how we get on. Yeah, that'll do. Brilliant.